Thanks for giving me a few minutes. I promise this will be worth your time. This is a big piece of crypto news and XRP news. I'm about to share with you a piece of information. There has been an event that most people don't have a clue just happened that is significant and will have an impact on the price of XRP. It will have an impact on the price of every single major altcoin you own. So give me a few minutes. I promise this will be worth your time. And I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. If you're new to me, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button here on YouTube. I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you're watching this on X, please consider giving me a follow. My name's Austin. Okay. So here's what I want to share with you. Right now, the price of XRP not doing anything. We all know it is. This piece of news that I'm giving you actually takes place on Monday. So I want you to keep an eye on Monday. And now it's bigger than that. Okay. But it is a big, big deal. Okay. So let's get into this. So this is a tweet coming from Ox Nobbler. There is I have retweeted this tweet over on my account. So if you want to go read this yourself, you're welcome to do that. There's a link down in the description to my Twitter account, my X account. I'm old school. I still call it Twitter. So you can go there, and then I've retweeted this. But this is the point of the video. Okay, I want to share this with you. So altcoins just hit their first golden cross since 2021. Now, let's say you don't know what a golden cross is. So I'm going to make this very, very straightforward for you. I Googled this for you. What is a golden cross in trading? Okay, here's what it is. A golden cross is a basic technical indicator that occurs in the market when a short-term moving average, the 50-day of an asset, in this case, it's the altcoin market, rises above a long-term moving average of 200-day. Then when traders see a golden cross occur, they view this chart pattern as indicative of a strong bull market. Now, back to this. Last time this happened, it was in 2021. Okay. Last time this happened, the whole market, the whole alt now, XRP is one of the major altcoins. Don't know what an altcoin is? It's everything really basically besides Bitcoin. It's really what it comes down to. Ethereum, XRP, Solana, so forth and so on. So the last time it happened, the whole market pumped 200x in 3 weeks. This alt season starts on April 21. I'm recording this on April 19th. Don't miss your chance to become a millionaire. Look at this chart. This is the chart right here. So this, you can see the golden cross, the event that happened in 2021. Again, what is a golden cross? When the 50-day moving average rises above a long-term moving average of 200-day. You can see it happen right here back in 2021, right there. And you can see now over here to the right, we are looking at 2025 on Monday, April 21, 2025, 2 days from now, we are set up for it to cross back over and to create, again, this golden cross scenario that the last time this happened, we saw altcoins pump 200x in 3 weeks. Now, that's the good news. And yes, it will have an impact on XRP. But okay, let's be a bit more of a voice of reason, if you will. Let's take a glass half empty look at this. All right. So could this event not happen? Could the chart turn and go the other way? Absolutely. It could. The last time history showed us in April of 2021, was there maybe not as much turmoil in the market? Yeah, that's right. There wasn't tariffs going on, things of that nature. So you can throw shade and dirt on this all you want, but the chart pattern is presenting itself. Okay, it is, just to bring this up, it is presenting the right technical analysis chart pattern. Okay, but again, I am a realist, and in that realist part of me takes it kind of with the glass half empty, a little bit of glass half full, just trying to be very pragmatic and say, okay, we do have other factors in the market, so maybe we get it this event pushed a little bit, maybe we flatline a little bit, but again, the charting pattern is saying it's going to happen on Monday, so I'm going to be watching Monday. I want you to be watching Monday. Certainly be watching if it does develop. That's the big key. This hasn't happened since 2021. Okay. So I don't know, the screen just went black there for a minute. My recording software might have messed up for just a second, but I think we're still good. So I'm just letting you guys know. That's really the point of the video, is to let you know that this is out there. And if it does take off the way we want it to, we are looking at an insane ride looking forward and going forward with XRP, with every major altcoin you own. So again, if it does happen, but there is historical precedent here saying that this has happened in the past. And this could be a thing that we see start to develop this coming week. Now, we do have, again, other factors in the market: Trump, tariffs, uncertainty, Russia-Ukraine war, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. It's all there. Okay. So kind of a glass half full or half empty, however you want to look at it, kind of scenario playing out here. But I wanted to make you aware of this. Okay. So before I let you go, I always wanted to give you an opportunity to show you how you can make even more money in crypto. Look, let me share this with you, this chart. This is Onyx coin right here. Gave a buy alert to right here in 71 days, about 700% up. To put that in perspective, if you would about $2,000 on this alert, and by the way, these alerts come in on your phone, any iPhone, any Android, you can run it on any computer. So in this case, if you would have bought on this alert $2,000, you would have made over $14,000 in profit in 71 days. Notice that sell alert came in. So that it said, basically when it said sell here, gave you that, you put that $14,000 profit in your pocket, in your bank account. Then we had another buy alert right here to here. 17 days later, 200%. So say $2,000 bought here, another $4,000. So you're at $11,000 in profit in about 90 days or so. But again, a sell alert came in and it said, hey, don't write it down, because the chart pattern for Onyx in this example, and I'm just using this example, there's a ton of these out there, went down 74%. So don't take that 74% loss, right? Sell it, get out of it in your bank account. And then we get a new buy alert coming in right here in the last 12 days, 120% up. So another $2,000 bought here would have made you yet another $2,400 in profit. So a little over $13,500 in profit off of just this right here, what I'm showing you. And that's what the software does. And it costs a little over $1 a day. Links in the description below here on YouTube. If you're watching this on X, links below this video as well. The quarterly option is the best. It is the cheapest one. Look, give it a look, give it a try. You have a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So give it a look. And I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. Links down there. And that is my lovely bride.
Give it a look.
There you go. It's Michelle. She's been dying to get on camera today. All right. Yeah, give it a look. I appreciate you. You have a good one. Take care.